Power Panels Electrical Systems is a leader in high added value manufacturing solutions. Based in the West Midlands, Power Panels designs and manufactures electronic, electrical, electromechanical and electro-pneumatic systems used in a variety of industries. Power Panels is a multiple award winner, having won 4 industry awards in 2008. The company takes great pride in its people. With over 150 employees, the development of skills and training is seen as a vital component to achieving business success. This is Power Panels' story.
Hello, my name's David Fox. I'm the Chairman and Chief Executive of Power Panels Electrical Systems Limited. In around about 1990, I realised that we'd got to do a lot of things differently, and by 2000 we'd used consultants and all sorts of people, and we still hadn't got our business where I wanted it to be. What we decided to do in 2000 was that we needed to improve the sort of training we were providing for our people, and also to introduce Six Sigma, which was becoming the order of the day. Since our main focus had always been on quality, we needed to improve from where we were in, say, 1998 at about 98%. We wanted to do much better than that. So we decided in 2000 to open our own in-house training school and to embrace Six Sigma.
The key difference is our focus not just on teaching new skills, but more importantly how to implement new skills in a live working environment in order to make measurable improvements in the business. Too often in a more traditional classroom-based training initiative, little or no consideration is given to the practical application of the skills being taught. Individuals have a head full of new ideas but don't know how to use them. Knowledge is not power. Application of knowledge is power. If you have the skills but don't know how to use them, you may as well not learn them in the first place.
In 2000 we created our own in-house training school, which we call the Excellence School. What we did was we created bespoke training material for the company, and we carried out the training on site and did projects on site, so we were in control of our own training. So what we did over the years was we created an in-house training roadmap where we brought structure to the training and had a training strategy. Everybody in the company has equal opportunity to go through this training. As you go up, it becomes more taxing. There's different levels, and as you can see, as we get further up, there's projects to complete, culminating in Six Sigma Green Belt. By that point, you're open to managerial training, and also you can become a team leader if that opportunity arises. So there's reward and recognition at different levels throughout the roadmap. The other thing about the training is that we've customised it. So for instance, if we teach visual controls, we go out on the shop floor and show actual visual controls. If we teach process mapping, we map a process on the shop floor or in the offices if there's office training. Hence, people immediately relate the theory of the training to their day-to-day jobs. In fact, the training's probably about 40% theory, 60% practice, and the projects are real business projects, so the company sees an immediate business benefit, as well as the fact that this training roadmap feeds the culture.
Being involved in activities like the training courses that we provide, it boosts your confidence purely because A, you have to work as part of a team, and B, because when you are involved in projects like Six Sigma Green Belt projects or continuous improvement projects, you have to deliver your findings to the team that you were with and to either your team leader or your manager. So again, that is quite nerve-wracking. But what we've found is when people have done it once, they want to continue to do it because they feel like a sense of satisfaction from being able to do that. Through becoming a CI trainer, I've not only just been sitting in the training courses, I've been involved in delivering them as well. And from that, rather than just being involved in the projects like I was previously, it's allowed me to start facilitating projects.
People ask me whether the training is worthwhile. The first thing I say is it is absolutely definitely the most appropriate investment that I've ever made. Without any shadow of doubt, it's working brilliantly well. And people say, well, you know, you've won a few awards, so what? But that's not really what this is all about. What we've got is a business that's successful. We've quadrupled the turnover since we started this in 2000. We've quadrupled the profitability, and more than all of these things in terms of my original objective for the training school, we've managed to move the quality from 98% to 99.97, and there isn't anybody in the world doing better than that. If ever anybody wants an endorsement for why training works, this is the proof of it.